Hello everybody, December 25th, 2021, Christmas Day. Happy Christmas to everybody out there. So Bitcoin today did pretty much nothing, so I don't really have anything to add, but I wanted to do a video here just to review where we are and what to look for. So at the moment, the only bullish possibility that we have is what's called a leading diagonal, basically, off of this low here. This ABC up is our first wave, this WXY is our second wave, and whatever's happening here would be making part of a third wave like this. That third wave is projected to end somewhere in this red zone, although it's taking its time, so it may in fact go a little bit beyond that. We'll just have to see what actually happens, and then once that's in place, this diagonal will change. We'll drag the top down to wherever 3 ends, but the bottom will remain tagged to that second wave there. So we're still kind of waiting on that to play out, if in fact it's going to. So that is the summary of like what the bulls need to do in order to continue upwards from here. It is not a fantastic pattern, to complete the rest of this bull market, but it does potentially fall in line with this larger diagonal that we have. We may see 5 up here and then come down and then push higher. I don't know. It's not going to be easy to track if it keeps doing this. The easiest way to track this would actually be if we just die. Right? If this dies and makes a new low, I don't care how low it goes, but if it makes a low and then gives us an actual 5 waves up, that would make all of this a lot easier to track. But I don't know if it's going to give us that or not. So at the moment, I've bought back in to Bitcoin on this dip here, and I have my stop set at break even. So it could come down there and stop me out and then jump back up. I don't really think it, like if it goes down that far, I don't really think it's going to stop there. I think it'll probably keep breaking down, so that's why I've got my stops at break even, but it is maybe possible, and then I'll have to jump in a little higher, and that's fine. But that's my plan anyway, is stop out break even if need be, and then go from there, kind of reevaluate. At the moment, we have not even broken this 51.9K high yet. That needs to fall in order for this to get the next push up. So we haven't done that yet. So still waiting on that. So pretty much, 51.9, if that breaks, there's a good chance that it's going to keep going up into this, low 60K area, maybe high 50s. It really isn't completely out of the woods until this orange box is demolished, because this is all the territory of potentially just an ABC, and then we see a move down from there. That's still possible as well. So yeah, I don't think I really have anything too much further to add. Bitcoin just needs to pick a direction here at some point. So we'll see if the next move is significantly up or significantly down. And that should tell us something anyway. It should give us more information, even if it's just, hey, it looks like we're going to go sideways for a little longer. Once again, though, it does kind of lean in the bull's favor that we have this breakout on the daily RSI. Does that mean we're going bullish right away? No, we could certainly come down and test that. So we could see a pullback to kind of test those breakouts first. That is a possibility. And if it rebounds from there, that would be the possibility, the one possible area where I would say, that actually is going to break down, stop me out, and then keep on going upwards. That's kind of the only possibility there, but we'll deal with that if that happens at some point. All right, so that's pretty much all I've got to say about Bitcoin for now. We'll see where it is. I'm going to keep doing updates in the Discord group, Trade Like a Whale Discord group. There'll be text updates. I'm not going to be doing videos for the next week. I'm on vacation. And starting in the new year, the public publicly available videos will only be on Monday and Friday. The remainder of the videos will be just for members of Trade Like a Whale, so keep that in mind as well. And make sure you jump into the Discord if you're not already in there. All right, guys, have a good night, and Merry Christmas to all.